On episode 2 of Bitch TV, we are going to be discussing the difference between training for strength and training for hypertrophy. We are going to use as an example the bench press. I'm going to show you how to use the bench press as an exercise to train for strength and how to use it in a different manner to create hypertrophy. We'll discuss the differences and you'll get to actually visually see how to perform these exercises. Go to the website www.bitchtv.podbean.com and you can subscribe to these videos for 99 cents a month. We put out a podcast once a week in video form, or you can download them individually for purchase. You can also subscribe for free to the radio podcast, Bitch Radio. That can be found at www.bitchradio.podbean.com, or go to the website bitchtraining.guru and you'll have links to the Bitch TV, Bitch Radio, all the information on the upcoming ebooks that are going to be released in 2015, plus any information you need to find out about personal training or online training. All the information is at the website www.bitchtraining.guru. Thank you.